All right, Tesla fam, let's get straight to it, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Tesla's, guys, off-road assist feature, guys. So first things first, guys, you need to be in off-road mode. To activate it, guys, you want to first go to controls on your Tesla touchscreen and then click on dynamics to gain access to the traction control settings, guys. Then basically, guys, you want to select on off-road assist and toggle this on. You want to toggle this on, and what this is going to do, guys, this is going to prepare your vehicle for those rugged terrains. So once you're in the off-road settings, guys, you want to toggle on the off-road assist feature. And when it's actually activated, you're going to see a confirmation, guys, on your display, right? That showing that the feature is basically now active. Okay, now if your Tesla model supports adjustable suspension, you can actually consider raising the vehicle height for better ground clearance. You can do this by tapping on the suspension option in the same menu. You can just choose a higher setting to navigate rough terrain more easily, guys. And then also, guys, when you are in the off terrain mode, guys, you can actually monitor your surroundings. Okay, so when you're in off-road mode, just keep an eye on the on-screen indicators. Right, your Tesla will display information about wheel slip, pitch, and tilt, which is basically essential for maintaining stability on uneven surfaces, guys. And when you're actually driving off-road, remember, guys, remember to take it slow and steady. Use your accelerator, guys, gently to avoid spinning your wheels, okay? The off-road assist feature will help manage traction and keep you on course. Right? When you're done with your off-road assist, guys, okay? When you're done with this and when you're done with the off-road adventure, guys, it's actually a good idea to actually sure just return to the compose menu and you can turn off the off for this feature, and you can just